Day 5, we went to Hollywood Studios. The theme of this park is movie. You can see Chinese theater in the center.
We really enjoyed using our magic bands to activate the statues, but as you can see, they were a little finicky and didn't always work.
We went straight to the dream world. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
It's totally themed and immersive, like you're walking into a town somewhere in the Star Wars movies, and it was really detailed and our favorite part in probably all of the Disney parks.
To feel more real, you can see amazing artwork, architecture, and objects.
It really felt like we were walking into Tatooine.
There's a gift store, and you can also get the Star Wars creature there.
And then we went and got some food at Ronto Roasters where a droid was cooking for us.
And now our dream come true, Millennium Falcon! There's so much detail on the starship, but not only that, the perspective of mountain, the background is very calculated.
And we went to get some blue milk, and despite the look on my face, I actually really liked it.
How is it?
Good.
Good? What?
Tastes like Calpis.
Just like Calpis?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Any
Like a Calpis slushy.
any brewed taste?
Calpis.
Calpis, huh? Calpis. The first ride of the day is Star Wars Rise of the Resistance.
We were captured by the Resistance, and we got to go on a crazy escape mission.
The Resistance team, led by my friend Finn, has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Numb and I shall personally see them.
The animatronic in this part was so
Lieutenant
cool.
Beck, as you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to cut him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Sympathizers, your precious resistance has failed you, and you are now under the command of the First Order. Vacate this vessel immediately and continue down the corridor on your right.
This room was absolutely mind-blowing. I had goosebumps. The rest of the ride was so awesome. We got to see lots of different characters, some AT-ATs. Tomo survived a tiny little drop that he wasn't expecting. It was a great time.
And then we light on Smugglers Run.
Somehow we got freaking lucky and we got put two of us alone onto the ride. So we got to do it by ourselves and it was really awesome.
We are pilots.
Push the flashing button to take off.
Ready?
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
Right and left.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right.
It looks scary, but you're busy all the time, so you don't feel scared.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. Retrieved one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that was rough.
Oh, we didn't make a lot of money. Then I got to make my own lightsaber.
I always wanted to Kid Fist lightsaber, but they don't have it, so in the future.
It was pretty easy to put together, and it's actually super heavy. And the reveal at the end was the best part.
Together we will activate our lightsabers for the very first time. Builders, are you ready? Yes. Perfect. Then it is time. Go ahead, move forward. Place your hand on your switch and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have now built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you.
I chose purple, but you can also buy other kyber crystals in one of the gift shops and get lots of different colors.
If you are lucky, you can get the black lightsaber. In Hollywood Studio, there's a bunch of prop and you can feel history of movies. Didn't they change the starship name? This is an image board of portraits. And also Disney's chair. And this is a California Disneyland. We got to see some cool costume, not only just on display. Rey Palpatine and
out of my way. The First Order has a place for those who would join our cause. We also have a place for those who will not. Clear enough?
Clear.
Just keeping my eye on you. Move back.
we got some attention because we were wearing Honeymoon t-shirts. How was it?
I was so socially awkward and I died all in 1 second. The cast was amazing. We had interactions with Kylo, stormtroopers twice, even on Rise of the Resistance, the people who were getting the line together were totally in character. And what is a trip to Star Wars without a trip to a cantina? We went and had some drinks. The theming was crazy and all the staff were really, really excited to be there. I had a hyperdrive, which was like Sprite and cherry flavored, and Carbon Freeze, which had ice in the bottom and popping bubbles.
Ready? I'm ready. Our carbon
After drink, we got to have some kids menu at the restaurant. There's a lot of kind of food, so hard to choose.
And of course we had to get the special popcorn from Bad Batch and the cool bottles. We did leave the Star Wars part of the park and go to the other parts of the park, I promise.
Indiana Jones was so cool with the stunt and filmmaking. And don't miss this! As you can see by projection mapping technology, McQueen was really there.
The look on Tomo's face when Lightning McQueen got on stage was pretty worth it.
Thanks, Mayor. Hello, everyone! Wow, what a great group of rookie racers! You know, I only figured out how to be a great racer because I had a great teacher, Doc Hudson. That's why I started this racing academy, so I could pay that forward to all of you.
Marty?
Yes, Mater?
Doc wouldn't only want to talk to you.
There were two light shows, Fantasmic and Disney Movie Magic, and because we're such movie fans, we decided to watch Disney Movie Magic on the Chinese theater. We loved the show, but the weirdest thing was while we were watching it, unfortunately we didn't get it on film, but a duck flew and hit the wall next to us and was flapping around for a while. Everyone was shocked.
That's our day. And here's a tip. When you got tired, go to Walt Disney Present. You got a seat, and AC, and passion of Walt Disney.
Unfortunately, it was our last day at Disney, but that's okay, because it was on to Universal Studios next.
See you at Universal Studios.